Hello dear friends, my name is Ana Victoria Estorvilla. I am 29 years old. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. I study psychology. I am going to present the following exercise. Exercise. Using the present perfect continuous answer the following question. Have you been working for the same company for more than 5 years? Where have you been working? Yes, I have been working for the last year at Rachel company. Have you been exercising in the last year? What kind of exercise do you practice? Yes, I have been exercising for the past year. I have been practicing cycling. Complete each sentence with the correct phrasal verb. I'm going to about drinking beer, and so far that I can't see my feet anymore. Rafa's taking photography. He's just bought one of the latest and most expensive digital cameras. I don't know how my wife puts up with me. I drink too much, and a bad husband and a terrible person to live with. If you don't write, why miss the train? Transform this sentence into reported speech. Sarah asks, "Are you busy tonight?" Sarah asks me if I was busy that night. I am working in a hospital, she said. She said that she was working in a hospital. We made a great dinner last night, he said. He said that they had made a great dinner the night before. Thank you.